Ugendi uria watumaga tauni ya Naivasha etuike mucii kirorerwa riu ukirie guthomagwo mabuku-ini ma kiririkano kuona riri wa tauni-ino riu ukoretwo gitogota orio ariomba iguru. Uyu niguo undu uria uratuma atongoria na ene mikawa mwena uyu gwikia ihoya kuri thirikari kugerera ministry ya ugendi ikorwo gicokeria mucii uyu mbica ta iria yari kuo miaka ya tene na iria yatumite tauni-ino gukinyeria ikero ta cia mucii wa Mombasa na Githumo.
In Nakuru, we don't have a cabinet secretary. Fine. We are happy. We are Jubilee people. We follow the government and their legislation, and it has been like that from 1963. But that should not be a reason enough for you, Balala, to walk all the way from Mombasa, come and downgrade Naivasha, just because we in Nakuru don't have a voice. We have a voice, I'm telling you, Balala. And I'm going to the parliamentary committee and I'm going to do a public petition against you. You must return Naivasha to where it belongs.
Kuringana na ene biacara ici ugendi riu utirukite na makiria ma gicunje kia 50 hari 100 kuma hari gicunje kia 45 hau kabere nginya hari gicunje kia 25.
Surely the hotels in Naivasha have employed more than 100,000 staffs, and they are all going to lose jobs if we close down the hotels.
Kurumirira githiururi giki riu ene mikawa ya riu nimaugite matikoretwo makihota kuriha aruti a wawira mahinda maria magirire, makiuga ningi nginya barabara iria ibatie ni gukorwo ikiguciriria agendi na njira nene ikoretwo cihoire miriko undu uria uratuma ndeto eno ikorwo ikihiriria makiria.
The best hotel for the meeting and the conferences are found in Naivasha. So we are wondering what come on what reason or basis the PDM were removed. So the participants are preferring maybe to do their meeting in Nairobi, go to Kisumu, go to Mombasa, while the Naivasha industry is suffering.
Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV, Wojoria.